Hello and welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cool looking pattern thing in Scratch. So let's get started. What you're going to want to do, when green flag clicked, add the pin extension, of course. And then, you're going to want to erase all, like you always should, to start off with a clean canvas. And then set the direction variable to 0. And then repeat 360 times, because one for each direction. Change direction by 1 there, and then broadcast draw, which we'll send over to the drawing sprite to draw it. And then paint the sprite. This will be the drawing sprite. And then if you make a little dot in the middle here, you can then go over. Now receive draw, make a custom block, draw, run without screen refresh, very important, so that it actually runs it at turbo speed. And then when I receive draw, you're gonna do draw, and then it will go to sprite 1, point in direction, the variable direction, and then repeat until touching edge, which will go until it's touching the edge, of course. Move 0.1 steps. And then it's going to have its pin up after that, but before that, pin down and then pin up there. Okay, boom, but then you're just going to want to hide the cat and hide this thing. Okay, look, well, let's give it a go. If you look now, it's starting, and yeah. So please be sure to subscribe, like the video if you've enjoyed this, comment any requests you have for another video, and I will see you next time.